Hey guys, my name's Harrison Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to make goals within Google Analytics. Very simple, high level. We're going to do it very quickly. So we're on our home page now. We're going to go bottom left and click Admin. And make sure, first things first, make sure you're in the right account, the right property, and the right view. So if you're in the right view, go down to the Goals tab in the right-hand corner. You can see we already have some goals built out here for our Test Analytics account. There's 4 different types of goals. Today we're going to be making templated goals. And the 4 types are duration goal, destination goal, an event goal, and a pages per session goal. So we're actually going to show you how to make each one and how to track them within Google Analytics. So click on this new goal button. Again, we're going to make templated goals, continue, and let's first make a destination goal. So we're going to use our agency's website as an example here. Let's say that we wanted to track every time someone went to our Facebook ad services page. This would tell us kind of what they're interested in once they come to our website. What you're going to do is you're actually just going to take the / Facebook ads URL, come back into analytics. We'll name this Facebook ads page, destination goal, hit continue. And you're just going to paste the / Facebook ads URL right there. Now, if you've had your Google Analytics tracking code on your website, you can verify your goal and see if you set it up correctly, which will actually show you what percentage of the time this goal would actually have fired in the past 7 days. So it really does show you if you've set your goal up properly, and it's a good tool to use. You can also add a value to your goal. So let's say that you didn't want to create a Facebook ads goal, but you actually wanted to create an add to cart goal. So every time someone hit the cart page on your website, you wanted that goal to fire. It's a different type of goal, but it's same idea. And let's say you wanted to add a value to that. Well, you can do that with this function here. So if you every time someone added to cart, you knew that that was an extra $5 for your business, this is where you would do that. Hit cancel, because we actually already have this goal built out. And we're going to go create a duration goal. So duration goal is very simple as well. It really just tells you how long someone's been on your site. So if we create a duration goal, we can create one for 5 minutes. Continue. Greater than 5 minutes. This really tells you the quality of your user. If someone's staying on your site for 5 minutes, maybe they're shopping around, maybe they're viewing the different pages in your site, but you know that they're interested and you know that they're engaged. Maybe they're watching a video or filling out a contact form. So it's really good to see which sources are driving the most qualified users, which is really why we build out goals in the first place. So this is how you build out a duration goal. The next goal we're going to build out is a destination goal, or excuse me, we already built out the destination goal and the duration goal. We're going to build out a pages per session goal. So this, again, is another way to pre-qualify which sources are actually leading to the most qualified users, engaged users. Do 3+ pages here. Let's go greater than 2 pages. You can verify that this goal would fire, and how often this goal would have fired in the past 7 days. So we'll go back here, and the last goal we're going to create is an event goal. So an event goal does require a bit of coding on the website. Let's say they played the video on homepage. Every time, again, going back to our agency's website, that say someone played this video from John at MeUndies, we wanted the goal to fire.
Jonathan Chokran. I'm the founder of MeUndies.
So that would require some custom coding, but the way you actually track that is you create a custom event here in Analytics. Continue, create the category and the action to fire when someone plays that video. So it's relatively straightforward. You might need a little bit of help from a developer. We also have another video on that, how to actually implement that code. So you can check that out. But that's really the 4 different types of templated goals that you can create. Now, why would you create them? I spoke about it a little bit earlier, but you create goals to really track which sources are driving the highest quality of traffic. So let's say that you're running a Facebook ads campaign to your website. You're also running Google ads. Let's say you have a podcast that's sending you referral traffic, and you obviously have your organic traffic. So let's really try to figure out, well, if we're putting money into podcasts and we're putting money into Facebook and Google, which sources are driving the highest quality user? Well, now we can tell, okay, well, 30% of users that came from our Google AdWords campaigns viewed more than 3 pages. They stayed longer than 5 minutes. They added to cart at a 5% rate. And that compares to Facebook, which added to cart, say, like a 2% rate. That can help you figure out if you need to move marketing dollars around. So that's really kind of the importance of goals and how we utilize them at our agency for our clients. It also can tell you, what stage of the funnel are people dropping off in. If you know you only got 10 purchases from your Facebook ads campaign last week, but you had 300 people add to cart because of the add to cart goal that you set up, now you know that you can look at the checkout process and you know that that's where you really need to improve. You're having a lot of people add your products to cart, but they're not completing their checkout. So again, very quick, very high level. That's how you build out your goals in Google Analytics, and how you would actually engage the significance of those is you would go to your acquisition section here on the left-hand side. You can go to all traffic, source medium, and under source medium, you have your goals right here. So this is only accounting for our add to cart goal right now, but you can see that if we did have data for our sources, this is where we'd be able to see it. How many add to carts did we have from, say, direct traffic or referral traffic? And within AdWords, it's the same way. So if you're viewing your AdWords campaigns, you view your goals in the same way. So we have a goal number 2, 5 minutes per session. Okay, which campaigns led to 5+ minutes? That will help us determine, again, the quality of user that's coming to our site. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and look at some of our other videos. We have a lot of how to explainer videos on how to link your AdWords account to Google Analytics, how to set up dynamic remarketing on Shopify, a whole host of things. So please stay tuned, stay engaged, and ask questions in the comment section. Thank you.